just booked my tickets to go to Miss USA. One of my friends is the current Miss Arizona USA. She's the current Miss Arizona USA. She won a couple months ago, so she is going to be competing for Miss USA. It is like basically the day after Thanksgiving is when competition starts. It goes through Monday. So I will be heading up to, it's in Tulsa. So I'll be going up to Tulsa, Oklahoma. So I'll be heading up to Tulsa, Oklahoma after Thanksgiving and watching her compete in Miss USA. And so, I mean, we're talking about USA girls, so they're obviously stunning and they're all like 10 feet tall and skinny. And I'm over here just like, you know, I'm a former beauty queen, but I hit 30 and I'm 5 feet tall and I've had 2 kids. So we're on different chapters of our life story. You know what I mean, Miss USA girls? So I've got to bring my A game, which means I need to stop eating all the Halloween candy that I keep stealing from my children. Step 1. I need to figure out this hair situation, why I have 15 colors in my hair. I need to do it like a conditioning treatment or something. You know, I need to get back on the Peloton, okay? There's a few things that are on my Meesh should-do list.